Have you found many executives, Barb, using it thus far for networking or building strategic relationships? How might it be used for that?
Yeah, and this again is where it's being misused. See, what AI is great for is if you tell AI the kind of career advancement you want, and then you ask AI, okay, can you give me the type of people I should network with? Like, can you give me some targets I should network with? Can you analyze their background? Can you even give me conversation starters? Like if I want to reach out to somebody, it could be mutual interest, it could be industry trends. AI can help you prepare, okay? But the relationship building has to be human. Even people that date online, eventually they have to talk and meet. Trust and rapport comes from authentic two-way conversations, and that's not something an algorithm can replace. It can give you a lot of information. And I love, and I've used it this way. Like if I'm targeting a company I want to do business with, I'll have it research a person for me and then say, can you give me any common denominators between my profile and this person's profile or any conversation starters? I mean, I do that with sales calls and I love it because I feel very prepared so that it can do for you. But networking is a relationship building process. And I can tell you just from experience, and I'm doing more speaking in front of corporations now than anything. Like 70% of my speaking now is in front of, CEO conferences and manufacturing conferences and IT conferences and that. And it's interesting, I'm listening to these hiring authorities all the time, and what they keep saying to me is they can't stand a generic outreach on LinkedIn when they feel it's self-serving. Nobody cares about you when you're trying to advance in your career. All they care about is how can you benefit them. So when you're out there networking, you do your homework, you figure out who you're going to target, and then every correspondence, every reach out, every conversation that you have with anybody has to focus on how can you benefit them? How do they benefit by this discussion that you're having? Or if you're looking for a referral or you're looking for someone to make an introduction, how do they benefit by making that introduction? So, every time you're verbally written, you've always got to think about, okay, how am I positioning myself that I can benefit this person by them putting me on? Because guess what? Most companies have referral programs. They'll get paid if they refer you. If you're a great person and they refer you, it makes them look good. But these are the kinds of things you've got to let them know for them to put you on. But networking is a human process, not an algorithm.